Science increasingly demonstrates that planetary and human health are closely intertwined. Sustainability is a key issue all across the globe, and nations as diverse as Brazil, Germany, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, Sweden, and Qatar are prioritizing sustainable diets in their dietary guidelines and policy making. The good news is that sustainable diets can also be quite delicious and affordable, especially when you include colorful pasta meals on your plate. The foods we eat can have vastly different effects on the earth. Animal foods, like meat, require lots of land, water, and resources to produce a relatively small amount of food. On the other hand, plant foods, like grains, can produce a much larger amount of food with fewer resources. It takes more than 20 times as much water to make 1 calorie of food from beef as it does from grains. In fact, even fruits and vegetables need 2 to 4 times as much water per calorie than grains. As you can see, shifting diets towards grain-based meals like pasta and away from more energy-intensive foods eases the burden on Earth's precious resources. Healthy pasta meals are also a better use of our land. Approximately 3/4 of our global land is used to produce animal products, which supply only 17% of our calories. Pasta feeds more people using fewer resources, which is especially important as many populations continue to grow. Additionally, the carbon footprint of pasta is much lower than that of many other foods, since it doesn't require as much land, water, or energy. Experts agree that by shifting our diet from steaks and burgers to sustainable plant-based meals like pasta, we can help reduce global warming emissions. How we cook pasta at home accounts for 38% of pasta's total carbon footprint. That means that by making a few small changes in the kitchen, we can lower the impact even further. To help the water boil faster and save energy, cover the pot with a lid and don't salt the water until after the water has boiled. Be sure to use only the amount of water needed and repurpose the leftover water in your sauces, to steam vegetables, or to water your houseplants. You can also try one-pot pasta meals, where the pasta and vegetables are added to the pot together, along with a small amount of water that gets completely absorbed by the dish. Since pasta is such a versatile food, pasta meals are also the perfect way to use up leftover vegetables, herbs, meats, and cheeses to help prevent food waste. Additionally, since dried pasta is shelf stable, it isn't as prone to spoilage as produce or other fresh foods, helping reduce food waste even further. The next time you have some veggies looking past their prime, sauté them up with some olive oil, then toss them with pasta and white beans or chickpeas for a healthy, hearty meal. By choosing sustainable foods like pasta that leave a gentler carbon footprint, we can all do our part to leave the planet in the best shape possible for future generations.